That you can write 2701. Yes.
Witness of the name.
Here also.
Now you have to act.
They have already done.
From your side. Yeah, from Singuju San, I'll take the address and send across.
Okay.
Please copy this. Sir, we can hold like this? Yes. Yeah, we can.
Change. Place a slide like this.
Thank you so much.
I will show now.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Phungkaham. I'll speak in our language. Yes. Phungkaham jatono no. Tini hai lai bumani kaisa kotor goselaimong. Sini bubagrani nahar mong tongmani. Already Bengaluru sini Maharaja bo press meet khaye norok samani kana. Sini ti prasa skill ganang. Nurses, GNM, ANM rogno Japan mane kok phrangai Japanese language rangai Japano samung tangrene bagai rohornani kaham manmari ne bagai kaham ajimung ne bagai rohornani kok samane tini chung suponglaine ni phaching senior tongo Mr. Ajoy Kumar Shahani managing manager sourcing and administration Navy's Human Resource and Private Limited borokbani sini MOU ongo sini yang deputy CEO tongo sini PO principal officer health ni tai sini tai khoroksa PO tabo deputy PO health tai sini oro social activist takuk James tai takuk John borok khanain tongo borok chana belai chuba samuni bagai tai Bangalore tongnai chini takuk Dinesh bobo chana belai chuba kha borok no ba hambai heke chini o nahar mong khen rok jatun saima no chung Japano hospitality ni bagai chini oro jara GNM ANM pass out angjak rok no sung BSc nursing oborok no sung tabo ringnai through Navy's ni passing tei chini oro phan apply khaimano borok Navy so phan apply khaimano chung u bisiwo maximum hospitality wo 3 jona hebor chini sere rokno chung Japan ro hanani target na haro borok no chung ADC hapang ni passing tei khaiye khoroksa ni chung ADC 50,000 chung sponsor khainai borok no jara registration na musunai jara serungna musunai Japanese language te baire wo Japan Germany Korea ro thangai service rine musunai rokno borok candidate rang 10,000 khai baro registration ma khainai te kaisa additional 50,000 borok puila samani chono 1,40,000 candidate na nangnai hai ni chunga bono tini kok salai abono kisarika tabo candidate rok 60,000 rinai chung ADC 50,000 rinai okay total borok ni 3.5 মানে সারা 3 লাখ টাকা টোটাল বনি কোর্স এভরিথিং রেজিস্ট্রেশন কোর্স ফিজ রাতে সারা 3 লাখ টাকা নাংনাই সারা 3 লাখ টাকা নংতাবা রিনা নাংয়া ক্যান্ডিডেট সিমিনো 60 লাখ মারিনাই এডিসি 60,000 এডিসি 50,000
Total 110.
बाद बाकी बनी जे रांग रथाई तंगमानी जे नेविस न जे रांग रथाई तंगमानी 2,40,000 बरक साका ननो जों जापान जार्मानी ओ कोरिया ओ साकरि रिमानी परे तुरुक निनि बेतनी ने नंगतानै रिमाननाय के अबो नंखा सिनि तिनिनि ओ एग्रीमेंट jara jara thangna muchunai kabang man chinoro nurse ni sakri sani phainai tongbai GNM NM tai ni o BSc nursing rok jara khaijak rok kabang ma opportunity tabo phatara haste thangai at least thaising chini ta khuk saka 1.1 ni beton ni chimi 3.5 lakh beton nong ni khorsa ni per month oba hai abon bagai ke borok o target now ni o borok ni norok jara registration khaine borok borok ni nang je bad baki outstanding payment tongmani abo remaining borok ke khairi ja ke chini nahar mung kha takute boko jong nari government job to limited kabang ma chini tipra sarok tabu kabang ma jagao no kolkata bengaluru chennai abhairogo nursing complete khai nogo kabang ma asokjak bo tongo srungi tongnai bo tongo phataro samung tang tongnai ro bo tongo kendorok ni bagni chung mane bubagra katal kaisa nangmani history kaisa opportunity norona rikha jara muchuknai dakti daktin phai chungbai karangdi borok dakti daktin no interview nanai best jara muchuknai best karangko rokno chung phataro ro hornani bagai chatioknai abani loge loge chung phainai salo care worker bonanai driver tai hingke construction worker o buildings namnani amhai samung obahirokno bo chung samung skill khai phataro samung tangnani bagai rohornani bo chung chatioknai obong khachini naharmung chini ADC hafang chini tipra sarokno rang ri tongmung chamung borokni manthai khati thaino khobui samung tanglai tongmani chung choya hamkrani samung tang tongmani chung choya bobagrani naikol mungbai chung hor sal thuya ke no wansolai samung tanglai tong takute bo kukchong obono khachini thamchani mari chini bobagrani naikol mungbai chini ADC hafang chung tabuk ratei lama kahamte himai beti prasa rokno bahike chung biang phasing thangke boro thangke chung rang kaham khaimano kaham tongmung tubui mano lukorok ajimano abo naharmung bai chung samung tanglai tong ketabok norok sungi mane chini Ajay Kumar Sahani ji bo angka nevis ani manager sursinte administration ban thani nevis ni naharmung tabok khaitong bosuk bisiromi khaitong boprong chimi tlangjak nai omutirok bon thani norok sungi mano hambai chung tabok 30 jona jono target chung 30 jona no rohornan chai toknai
every year
protek bishwata
Okay.
should I
It's okay. It's okay.
no need
Okay. Thank you, respective dignitaries of TTAADC. And my name is Ajay, and I'm General Manager for Northeastern Region. And today it's a privilege for Navis HR, because on behalf of Navis HR, I'm representative entire Northeastern Region. And today we have signed an agreement, an MOU with TTADC regarding the student opportunity going abroad in Japan, Germany, as well as Korea. The respective job description and the job profile is already mentioned and mentioned by our sir. So we will be highly pleased to have students from Agartala and Tripura as well. We have sent many candidates from northeastern region, all states. Barring Tripura was left out, but it's really humble, thankful and heartiest congratulations to respective Maharaja as well. Because of him, because I met him during the airport also, he said that everything is done. You just have to go there and then the formalities will be done. Thank you for the kind and generous arrangement. And we are really dealing great opportunity for the career of student, for the student of TTA, DEC areas. And we look forward for a mutual consent and mutual agreement between all of us. And this opportunity will provide our student, those who want to dream and aspiration going abroad and this is a platform where we can send students to different countries, from where we will definitely have a collaboration between more, and we are going to send more and more number of students henceforth. So it's a great achievement for Navis HR, because having a tied up with TTADEC is really an opportunity for us and privilege to us, and we make sure and ensure that whatever number of students respectively will be selected, we have a selection process. So nearly about, we are going to, as many as we can, we are targeting 100,000 number of students to be screened, and then we will be selecting out of which the best 30 number of students, and based on that they are going to be privileged and taking the training there in Bangalore, and then henceforth they are going abroad in Japan and respective countries altogether. As the job profile is already mentioned, so we will be placing them as and when a requirement is there. So it's a initial start, and definitely there are milestones to go ahead, but definitely thanks to Maharaja and the government of TTADEC. So thank you so much once again, and I really would like to thank you, the press representative as well. Thank you so much once again for covering this press meet, and hopefully the collaboration and MU will beneficially benefits both of us, and then we take it ahead, and definitely we are really humble and thankful to TTA DEC. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much. Because we have as mentioned, there are a screening process. So first they will have to go through an aptitude test. All the students has to appear for the aptitude test. Once they clear the aptitude test, they have to go to for a process called demo process. The native Japanese will be having an in conversation with the students. They will show a demo. The student has to understand
the culture of
they have to understand about the script, they have to understand the demo. That's a demo. So once they can able to cop up and can able to respond to the demo, we will select for the third round, which is very crucial, based on the consent of the parents. Once the parents agrees that yes, I am ready to send them to Japan, so we will select those candidates, and based on that, this the timing and everything will be mentioned there and thereafter. So we'll have such process, and we will start as soon as possible. We are going to now, we already have done all the formalities, so we are going to mobilize as soon as possible.
Chini potrika ron bisingti chini website ni bisingti chung advertisement nai ke borona to ta sing chini ode ji saka ta singo actually Japan ni kisu culture borong ni ongko tongo bosker borong ni bebohar borong ni tongmung samung tongo actually a jaga rogo boro u bokrok tola khai khulumung kok samung nomro bodro omahiro kabang ma metar tongo Japan no samung tangna ne ke kok sangke sane ne bar ara sirik lai kok saya amti hero joton phang jagna aran borok no phai phang phane Japan ni borok no so ab haike jara sanani man nai borok no borok select khana even tlangna ni sigang je tlangna ni forman buma ufa soi ka hanga kai buma ufa ni tablen ni jara thangnan bagi fit ni buma guardian buma phaso to soi soka e aprosi borok tlangnai ke poilan chibini jara thangna mo chon ne ba phataro sudo Japania Germany angthon nini Korea angthon baro aran language no sudo Japan aran language be phorne baro thangnai eke poilan chibini prepare angai phene ni bakai ab haite dakti start khaijanai chung advertisement khai kan through baro ne thake chung interview ba screening process khai dakti roharan bagai sati apnai hambai